Rain on a tin roof, steady and slow. That old house humming like it used to know. Wind through the screen door, creaking just right. That was the sound of a Friday night. Mama in the kitchen, flour on her hands, humming them hymns only heaven understands. Smell the biscuits rising, warm in the air. Whole world safe as long as she was there. Daddy out back with an axe and a log, chopping that wood with the old yard dog. Didn't say much, but he didn't have to. Love showed up in the work he'd do. Shirt sleeves rolled and sweat on his brow. Built our whole world on the here and now. Didn't have money, didn't complain, just stacked that wood like a winter and rain. Oh, take me back to the muddy road, barefoot days and a light of load, before time ran off like a runaway train. Back to that porch and that soft, slow rain, where nothing was fancy, nothing was new, but love ran deep and the sky felt true. I'd trade all these years, all this truth I've learned, for one more night in that tin roof memory burned. Older sisters laughing loud down the hall, arguing about nothing, meaning it all, teasing me just 'cause I was small. But Lord help anyone made me bawl. Radio playing low in the den, songs about heartache I didn't know then. Life was a story just starting to write. Didn't know dark when everything's light. Old red beagle with a nose to the ground followed me anywhere woods could be found. Rabbit trails in that frosty morn, boots too big and a jacket warm. Fishing pole bending over the creek, didn't need much, didn't need to speak. Sun on the water, lining my hand, thought that was all a man had planned. Now the house is gone and the fields are sold. Mama's hymn's just an echo. Daddy's axe rests quiet somewhere. Sisters got gray in their long fine hair. Dog's been gone, Lord, years or more, but sometimes I hear him at that back door, scratching that memory soft and slow. Like a rain on a tin roof memory long ago. So I close my eyes and I let it come, that kitchen light and that old back drum of rain tapping time on a life so plain that I'd give anything to live again. 'Cause nothing I've owned, not gold, not land, feels like Mama's flower-covered hand. And if heaven's real when this life is through, I hope there's a porch and a tin